In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Claude AI conversation. First, open Claude AI in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the main chat interface so you can access your previous conversations. This is where all of your saved chats usually appear in the sidebar, making it easy to find the one you want to export. Next, open the specific conversation you'd like to save. Take a moment to confirm that it's the correct chat, especially if you've had several similar conversations. It's always a good idea to quickly scroll through it before exporting, just to make sure everything you need is included. After that, look for the conversation menu. In many cases, this appears as a three-dot menu near the chat or somewhere around the conversation controls. Check for options such as export, download, share, or copy. The exact wording may vary depending on the current Claude interface, so just look for the closest matching option. If you do see an export option, choose the method that works best for you. For example, you may be able to save the conversation as a PDF or a text file. If there isn't a direct export format available, a share or copy option can still help you preserve the conversation content in a usable way. Once you've selected an export option, choose where you want to save the file on your computer and confirm the download. Try saving it in a location that's easy to remember, like your desktop or documents folder, so you can find it quickly afterward. If Claude doesn't offer a direct export feature for that conversation, you can use the manual method instead. Simply highlight the text in the conversation, then copy it, using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. After that, paste the content into a document editor such as Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Notepad. This is a simple backup method that works well when export tools are limited. Then save that document in your preferred format. Common choices include docx, txt, or PDF, depending on whether you want easy editing, lightweight text storage, or a more polished file for sharing. Finally, open the saved file and verify that everything exported correctly. Check that the full conversation is there, that the formatting is readable, and that no important sections are missing. If needed, you can repeat the process using a different format or the copy and paste method for a cleaner result. And that's how to export a Claude AI conversation.